In today's class, we will discuss linear equations in two variables. In this chapter, following topics are to be discussed. Linear equation in two variables, solution of a linear equation in two variables, graph of a linear equation, equation of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Linear equation in two variables. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are not 0 at the same time. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to root 5. 3x is equal to root 5 may be written as 3x plus 0y plus minus root 5 is equal to 0. This is also a linear equation in two variables. In the definition, it is said that a and b are not 0 at the same time, because whenever a and b are 0, then we have c is equal to 0. A and b are 0, then we have c is equal to 0. But c is a real number, so it is not always 0. Hence, we have to say a and b are not 0 at the same time. Now, there is a question based on it. Write each of the following equations in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values a, b and c in each case. First, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4.37. Second, x minus 4y is equal to root 3. Third, 4 is equal to 5x minus 3y. Fourth, 2x is equal to y. In such question, we have to make RHS 0. For this, 2x plus 3y, we transfer 4.37 on LHS, so RHS becomes 0. We have plus minus 4.37 is equal to 0. Now comparing it with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, we have a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 4.37. Now x minus 4y minus root 3 is equal to, in the given question we transfer root 3 to LHS. Now x can be written as 1x because 1 is hidden here. This can be written in minus 4 into y. This can be written in plus minus root 3 is equal to 0. Now comparing it with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, we have a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 because a is the coefficient of x. Here 1 is the coefficient of x. So a is 1, b is minus 4 and c is minus root 3. Now third one, 4 is equal to 5x minus 3y. This can be written as 0 is equal to 5x minus 3y minus 4. We transfer 4 to the RHS. Now this can be written as 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. This implies that 5x plus minus 3y plus minus 4 is equal to 0. On comparing it with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, we have a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 4. There is also second way. Here 4 is equal to 5x minus 3y. We make RHS 0. This is another way. Then minus 5x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. This implies that minus 5 into x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now comparing it with x plus by plus c is equal to 0, we have a is equal to minus 5, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4. Here we have two different values of a, but they both are correct. Now next type of questions is, write each of the following as an equation in two variables. Here first one is x is equal to minus 5, second y is equal to 2, third 2x is equal to 3, fourth 5y is equal to 2. X is equal to minus 5. This implies that x plus 5 is equal to 0. This can be transformed into the form x plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here there is no y, so we may add 0 into y. Second, y is equal to 2. This implies that y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here there is no x. We may add 0 into x so that it can be transformed into the form x plus by plus c is equal to 0. There is also second method. Second method is y is equal to 2. This implies that y minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies that minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. If we multiply it with minus 1, then we have minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. There is no x here, so we may write it as 0x plus minus 1y plus 2 is equal to 0. Here 2x is equal to 3. This implies that 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies that here there is no y. We may add 0 into y so that it can be transformed into the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Last one is 5y is equal to 2. This can be written as 5y minus 2 is equal to 0, and this can be written in the form required form. Now, solution of an equation. We know that it is the value of variable for which the equation is true. For example, the solution of 2x minus 2 is equal to 0 is x is equal to 1, because for x is equal to 1, this is true. Now, one question is, find 4 different solutions of the equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now we have to find those values of variables, that is x and y, for which this equation true. We may take any value of x, any real number as x, then corresponding to each real number which we have a value of y. So when x is equal to 0, we put x 0 here, so 0 plus 2y is equal to 6. This implies that 2y is equal to 6. From here we get y is equal to 6 by 2, which is 3. We may take also x1. We take simpler value of x so that calculation will be easier. When x is equal to 1, 1 plus 2y is equal to 6. This implies that 2y is equal to 6 minus 1, so y is equal to 5 by 2. Here this is another solution, 1 comma 5 by 2. This, when x is equal to minus 1, we put x as minus 1, so minus 1 plus 2y is equal to 6. After calculation, we have y is equal to 7 by 2. When x is equal to 2, after calculation, we put x as 2, then calculating, we have y is equal to 2. So we have 4 solutions. Those are written in the following form. Hence the 4 solutions are 0, 3. This is the x, this is the y. Here this is the x, this is the y. So we have these 4 solutions of the given equation. Now find 2 solutions for each of the following equations. Here 4x plus 3y is equal to 12, 2x plus 5y is equal to 0, 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. See, when x is equal to 4, we put 4 here to find y, and y is minus 4 by 3. So we have one solution, 4 comma minus 4 by 3. We take any other real value. There is no any restriction. When x is equal to minus 3, we put x as minus 3. Then we have y as 8. So we have this another solution. Hence 2 solutions are 4 comma minus 4 by 3 and minus 3 comma 8. On this observation, where we say that x is any, x can take any real number, x can take its value any real number, and corresponding to every value of x, we have the value of y, and there are infinite real numbers, so we have infinite ordered pairs, and that's why we can say that on this observation we can say that there are infinite solutions of a linear equation. Our second equation was 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. We take x is equal to 0, then after calculation we have y is equal to 0. This is our one solution. We take x is equal to minus 3, then after calculation we have y is equal to 6 by 5. Hence the 2 solutions of the given equations are 0, 0 and minus 3, 6 by 5. Third, this is our given equation. We have to find its 2 solutions. So we find here, this is found in another way. Here we get y is equal to minus 4 by 3. It means that y is everywhere minus 4 by 3. So we have to take value of x. Now it can be transformed into the form 0x plus y is equal to minus 4 by 3. So when x is equal to 0, we put 0 here. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 plus y is equal to minus 4 by 3. From here we get y is equal to minus 4 by 3. We may take x1. When we take x1, then 0 into 1 0 plus y is minus 4 by 3. So we get y is equal to minus 4 by 3. We may say that for any value of x, we always have y minus 4 by 3. Here when x is equal to 2, 0 into 2 plus y is equal to minus 4 by 3. From here we have y is equal to minus 4 by 3. Hence three solutions are 0 comma minus 4 by 3, 1 comma minus 4 by 3, 2 comma minus 4 by 3. In the next lecture we will discuss the graph of a linear equation and the equation of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis.